Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy S&P 500 on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using the web portal, but these same steps work on the mobile app too. Before we start buying, there's one quick setup you need to do if this is your first trade. Log in to Interactive Brokers, then click the user icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down to the Trading section and click Trading Permissions. Look for the Stocks option and make sure it's enabled. This is what lets you trade ETFs. On the next screen, enable the United States market if you're buying VU. Then, under the All Global section, turn on Global, trade in fractions. Without this, you won't be able to buy fractional shares and your order might get blocked. Hit Save. These permissions usually update instantly. Now let's buy. If you're not already logged in, go to interactivebrokers.com, click Login in the top right, then Portal Login. Enter your username and password, then complete the two-factor authentication on your phone. You'll land on your dashboard. Next, we need to search for the ETF. Since you can't buy the S&P 500 index directly, you buy an ETF that tracks it. The most popular one for United States investors is VU. Type VOO into the search bar at the top right. Interactive Brokers will show you several options: stock, futures, options, CFD. Click on stock, then choose the ARCA exchange in United States dollars. Once that opens, click the buy button. You'll see the order ticket appear. Switch the dropdown from shares to USD so you can enter a dollar amount instead of a number of shares. Type in how much you want to invest fractional shares, meaning you can invest any amount from $1 up. Now set your order type. For a liquid ETF like VU, a market order is fine, just leave it on market in the dropdown. Set the exchange routing to smart so Interactive Brokers finds you the best price. For time in force, select day. Next, click Preview Order at the bottom. This shows you the commission cost and total impact on your account. For a $500 purchase, you're looking at around $1.70 in commissions. Once you're happy with the preview, click Submit. Your order will appear in the Orders tab. Market orders fill almost instantly. To confirm it went through, go to the Trade menu, then Orders and Trades, then Trades. You'll see your filled order with the exact price and commission. The ETF will now show up in your portfolio, and your cash balance will drop by the amount you spent. Interactive Brokers lets you set up recurring investments if you want to automate this, so you can dollar cost average into the S&P 500 monthly. Also, if you're outside the United States and need to convert currency first, there's a Convert Currency option in the main menu, but for most United States investors buying VOO, your dollars work straight away. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.